So you might be in a situation where for some reason the Peacock application just isn't working. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the main reason why an application like this might not be working for you is typically because you might be having some sort of internet connection problems, some Wi Fi connection problems. The very first thing I'd always recommend doing though is to just go through and make sure you don't have any Wi Fi or internet connection problems. So make your way over to your settings app like this and tap on Wi-Fi or go to cellular and just go through and make sure you don't have any problems there. Most of the times, if you have any issues, that's going to be the main problem. So go through, double check Wi-Fi, double check cellular, and that's the very first thing I'd recommend kind of doing. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, you could also make your way over to your App Store or your Google Play Store, and I'd recommend just kind of going through and updating your particular Peacock application. A lot of the times, if you're running into a problem like this, you might just have to go through and update your app. And that's exactly another one of those types of things that I recommend doing here too, because that might end up fixing the problem for you in this particular situation as well. Now, if that is still not working, the next thing I'd recommend kind of going through and doing is to essentially just make sure that Peacock isn't actually down. So what you can do is you can make your way over to a website like downdetector.com or is it downrightnow.com, one of those types of websites, which will basically tell you exactly what's up and what's down. So from there, all you're going to have to kind of do is just to go ahead and see if Peacock is down, and it will tell you that basically right inside of this page. So that's basically how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.